Welcome! In front of me I have CMF by Nothing Watch Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. And before we continue with the reset, one thing is worth to mention is that you should check the battery level on your watch before you reset your watch, because if the battery reaches or dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. So make sure that the battery is at least above 20-30%, and then we can continue. Okay, so once you wake up the screen on your watch, you should see the current watch face, and you can press the side button to open the menu. Then scroll down through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on the settings icon to open the settings. In settings, scroll down and find the option called system menu, and once you find it, tap on it. And here you should see the option called reset, this one. Once you find it, tap on it, then tap on the check mark to confirm, and wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.